Here's the cut resistant NoCry gloves. Comes in a pair. It's actually really soft material. I was expecting it to be stiff like the steel ones I've used in restaurants, cutting vegetables and the chicken. And but these, they're like it feels like a sweater material. They're supposed to be cut resistant, where they don't cut through the glove and cut your hand. The reason why I bought these gloves is to cut food and vegetables. And another reason why I bought these gloves, but I had the problem of whenever I cut my hair with the scissors, I would actually accidentally cut the top of my hand when I had the hair in between my fingers. It would cut and snip my hand. So I decided to get these, and they actually fit real nice and snug around my fingers. And I go ahead and grab my hair and I just cut. So now I don't have to worry about cutting my hand. What's great about these gloves is that you can use them for the kitchen. You can use it for cutting your hair so you don't cut your hand. You can use it for gardening, being outside. You can cut the grass, you can cut the limbs on your bushes, and make sure your hands are safe. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. So you can use these outdoor. You're getting cut, scratched, damaged, since they're cut resistant, and you have the full functionality. You're able to do your work. Actually grabbing stuff might be a little bit difficult because the way you can't feel as much with these gloves on. It's almost like wearing winter gloves. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like wearing winter gloves. So you can practically drive it. You can drive with them if you need to. I also want to point out that when you're using it in the kitchen, you get them wet. It's literally like a winter glove. So they get saturated and wet. So I wanted to point that out. It's not water resistant. What's convenient on both gloves is that they have a hook. So after you wash them, you need them to hang dry. You can hang them, they'll hang dry. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.